Welcome to AI for Kids, discovering the magic of artificial intelligence. Hello, friends. Welcome to AI for Kids, the series where we unlock the fun and fascinating world of artificial intelligence, or AI for short. Today, we embark on an exciting journey to understand the basics of AI. So get comfy and let's dive right in. Have you ever wondered how cool robots and gadgets seem to think on their own? That's what AI does. But what exactly is AI? Well, it's like giving computers a brain to help them think, learn, and solve problems just like us. Imagine your computer playing your favorite song when you ask it to. That's AI. AI is all around us, making our lives easier and more fun. From smart voice assistants like Siri and Alexa to games that adjust difficulty based on how well we play, AI is already in your world. The world is buzzing with excitement about AI, and it's easy to see why. AI can do incredible things, like helping doctors diagnose illnesses, making cars drive by themselves, and even creating beautiful artworks. In our everyday lives, AI is here to help us explore and learn while having an amazing time. Let's dive into some stories featuring AI. Once upon a time, there was a busy little robot named Robo who was always helping around the house. With a friendly beep and boop, Robo made life easier and more fun for everyone in the family. In another story, our friend Ava had a pet robot cat that learned to play with her favorite toys and even do tricks like jumping through hoops. These playful stories show how AI can blend into our daily lives, making them more enjoyable. Did you know that you're already using AI in your daily activities? It's true. Every time you use a search engine, play a video game, or ask a virtual assistant to tell you a joke, you're interacting with AI. At home, AI might help control the temperature or turn on lights with just your voice. In school, AI can personalize learning by helping teachers create lessons tailored to what each student needs help with. AI makes learning not only smarter, but also a lot more fun. Throughout this video, you're accompanied by our playful AI friends, Pixel and Byte. Pixel is a cheerful, animated character with infinite curiosity, always asking questions, while Byte, the mini robot, is eager to show off AI in action. Together, they guide you through a fantastic AI adventure full of laughter and discovery. Pixel and Byte invite you to join their animated adventures, where crazy fun awaits. Watch as Byte solves puzzles by picking up clues and crossing rivers by recognizing patterns. They turn complex AI concepts into thrilling animated adventures, making learning as fun as an action-packed story. As Pixel learns from Byte about recognizing faces and understanding speech, you see how AI is incorporated into activities we find super cool. Let's get a sneak peek into how AI works. It starts by learning from tons of information called data. Just like your brain notices patterns and learns new things, AI does the same. For example, when AI looks at thousands of photos of cats, it learns to recognize what a cat looks like. After that, when AI sees a cat picture it's never seen before, it can identify it through those learned patterns. AI becomes incredibly smart by recognizing patterns, whether it's identifying the right planets for a space mission game or finding the quickest route home. After understanding patterns, AI takes decisions, and that's how it helps self-driving cars navigate streets or predicts the weather. Surprisingly, AI learns in ways similar to how you do. Just imagine playing a video game over and over until you master it. Similarly, AI practices and learns from experiences to get smarter over time. With every new possibility explored, AI keeps improving, just like you excel in your favorite hobby. Are you ready to start playing with AI? There are exciting AI games and activities for you to explore. From teaching a bot to catch an apple in a coding game to teaching AI art software to create colorful paintings, possibilities are endless. Want to create your own AI magic? Begin with some simple projects at home. You can train a computer program to recognize your voice commands or create digital pets that respond to your actions. All you need is curiosity, and you're on your way to creating your very own AI wonders. As we marvel at AI's capabilities today, we're even more thrilled about what the future holds. In the coming years, AI might help scientists discover new planets, allow full communication between people and animals, or even create delicious new meal recipes. The world of AI continues to grow, and with it, your imagination and knowledge can too. Congratulations, you've taken the first step on your AI journey. In the episodes to come, we'll introduce new and thrilling topics like coding for AI, robot building, and creativity within AI. We can't wait to learn along with you. Remember, curiosity is key. If you ever wonder how an AI gadget works, ask questions, explore further, and never stop learning. Discovering AI truly is an adventure without limits. But hold on, while AI is exciting, safety comes first. Always have adult supervision when exploring new technologies. While AI offers fun and learning, it's important to use it responsibly too. Join Pixel and Byte as they demonstrate AI challenges inviting interactive participation. Actively engaging helps cement concepts in your mind while growing your skills. Buckle up for a whirlwind of captivating visuals, animated scenarios, colorful graphics, and AI demonstrations designed to capture your imagination. AI is far from being a distant concept. It connects with the real world around you. It fuels rockets, creates art exhibited in galleries, and even composes music enjoyed by millions. Did you know the very first AI program was created over 60 years ago, tasked with solving math problems? And now, there's AI that can compose entire symphonies. Before we wrap up, let's recap. Today, you've learned what AI is, how it works, and exciting ways it enhances our lives. Remember the cool stories, friendly characters, and exciting future possibilities of AI. Let your creativity shine through AI-themed art, games, or stories. Experiment with drawing and imagining what your AI robot looks like and what cool tricks it can do. Envision how AI can be used for good, saving endangered animals, providing clean water, or designing cities of the future. Your ideas are the stepping stones to an innovative tomorrow. Here are some questions to think about. If you could create an AI robot, what would it do? How can AI help make the world a better place? We love hearing from you. Drop your questions or observations in the comments below. Let's learn and grow together as an AI community. We'd love to know what you think about today's video. Remember to share your thoughts and feedback, and let us know what you'd like to learn next. Stay tuned for the next episode where we explore coding to create your very own AI games. It's going to be super fun, and we can't wait to embark on this mission with you. You've made it through the first chapter of the exhilarating AI adventure. Keep learning, keep creating, and let's discover new AI wonders together. Thanks for joining Pixel, Byte, and me on this AI adventure. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any exciting episodes. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning. For our responsible adults watching, rest assured that our series provides age-appropriate, engaging educational content on AI. Our goal is to ignite curiosity while keeping the experience safe and informative.